Shalom, and welcome to lesson number 9 of my Hebrew course, where we dive into essential Hebrew vocabulary and practice using it in real-life sentences. Before we jump into new words, let's do a quick recap of some of what we've covered in previous lessons. The Hebrew word for I or me is ani. Ani. You, when referring to a singular male, is ata. Ata. You, when referring to a singular female, is at. At. He is hu. Hu. She is he. He. We is אנחנו. אנחנו. They, when referring to males or to a mixed group, is הם. הם. They, when referring to females, is הן. הן. You, when referring to plural males or to a mixed group, is אתם. אתם. You, when referring to plural females, is אתן. אתן. To get up is לקום. לקום. To drink is לשתות. לשתות. To go is ללכת. ללכת. To come is לבוא. לבוא. To eat is לאכול. לאכול. To sleep is לישון. לישון. To ask what, say מה. מה. When is מתי. מתי. Where is איפה. איפה. Late is מאוחר. מאוחר. Early is מוקדם. מוקדם. Now, let's learn some new vocabulary. The verb prefer, when referring to a singular male, is מעדיף. מעדיף. So we would use מעדיף for אני, I, when אני is a male, for אתה, you, when referring to a singular male, and for who, he. For example, to say, I prefer to go today, as a male, say, אני מעדיף ללכת היום. אני, I, מעדיף, prefer, singular male, ללכת, to go, היום, today. To ask, what do you prefer to eat? When speaking to a singular male, ask, מה אתה מעדיף לאכול? מה, what, אתה, you, singular male, מעדיף, prefer, singular male, לאכול, to eat. Our next new word is לבד, which means alone. לבד. For example, to say, I prefer to go alone, as a male, say, אני מעדיף ללכת לבד. אני, I, מעדיף, prefer, singular male, ללכת, to go, לבד, alone. Our next new word is the verb prefer when referring to a singular female. מעדיפה, מעדיפה. So we would use מעדיפה for אני, I, when אני is a female, for at, you, when referring to a singular female, or for he, which is she. For example, to say, I prefer to drink water as a female, say, אני מעדיפה לשתות מים. אני, I, מעדיפה, prefer, singular female, לשתות, to drink, מים, water. To say, I prefer to go to sleep early, as a female, say, אני מעדיפה ללכת לישון מוקדם. אני, I, מעדיפה, prefer, singular female, ללכת, to go, לישון, to sleep, מוקדם, early. To say, she prefers to go to sleep late, say, היא מעדיפה ללכת לישון מאוחר. He, she, מעדיפה, prefers, singular female, ללכת, to go, לישון, to sleep, מאוחר, late. To ask, when do you prefer to eat? When speaking to a singular female, ask, מתי את מעדיפה לאכול? מתי, when, at, you, singular female, מעדיפה, prefer, singular female, לאכול, to eat. Our next new word is the verb prefer when referring to plural males. מעדיפים, מעדיפים. So we would use מעדיפים for אנחנו, we, when we are males, for you, אתם, when referring to plural males, and for הם, they, males. For example, to say, we prefer to drink coffee as males or as a mixed group. Say, אנחנו מעדיפים לשתות קפה. אנחנו, we, מעדיפים, prefer, plural males, לשתות, to drink, קפה, coffee. To ask, what do you prefer to eat? When referring to plural males, ask, מה אתם מעדיפים לאכול? מה, what, אתם, you, plural males, מעדיפים, prefer, plural males, לאכול, to eat. Our next new word is לאן, which means where to or to where. לאן. For example, to ask, where do they prefer to go? When referring to males, ask, לאן הם מעדיפים ללכת? לאן, to where. הם, they, males, מעדיפים, prefer, plural males, ללכת, to go. To ask, when do you prefer to come? When speaking to plural males, ask, מתי אתם מעדיפים לבוא? מתי, when, אתם, you, plural males, מעדיפים, prefer, plural males, לבוא, to come. Our last new word for today is the verb prefer when referring to plural females. מעדיפות. מעדיפות. So we would use מעדיפות for אנחנו, we, when אנחנו are females, for אתן, you, plural females, and for הן, they, females. For example, to say, we prefer to eat cake as females, say, אנחנו מעדיפות לאכול עוגה. אנחנו, we, מעדיפות, prefer, plural females, לאכול, to eat, עוגה, cake. To ask, where do you prefer to go? When referring to plural females, say, לאן אתן מעדיפות ללכת? לאן, to where, אתן, you, plural females, מעדיפות, prefer, plural females, ללכת, to go. To ask, what do they prefer to drink? When referring to females, ask, מה הן מעדיפות לשתות? מה, what, הן, they, females, מעדיפות, prefer, plural females, לשתות, to drink. Now, let's do some exercises. How would you say they prefer to eat now when referring to females? הן מעדיפות לאכול עכשיו. הן, they, females, מעדיפות, prefer, plural females, לאכול, to eat, עכשיו, now. How would you say she prefers to go to sleep early? היא מעדיפה ללכת לישון מוקדם. היא, she, מעדיפה, prefers, female, ללכת, to go, לישון, to sleep, מוקדם, early. How would you say he prefers to go alone? הוא מעדיף ללכת לבד. הוא, he, מעדיף, prefers, male, ללכת, to go, לבד, alone. How would you ask, where do you prefer to go when speaking to plural males? לאן אתם מעדיפים ללכת? לאן, to where, אתם, you, plural males, מעדיפים, prefer, plural males, ללכת, to go. How would you ask, what do you prefer to eat when speaking to a singular female? מה את מעדיפה לאכול? מה, what, את, you, singular female, מעדיפה, prefer, singular female, לאכול, to eat. How would you say, I prefer to get up early as a male? אני מעדיף לקום מוקדם. אני, I, מעדיף, prefer, singular male, לקום, to get up, מוקדם, early. How would you ask, where do you prefer to eat, when speaking to a singular female? איפה את מעדיפה לאכול? איפה, where, at, you, singular female, מעדיפה, prefer, singular female, לאכול, to eat. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.